I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust my sails. Life has a way of throwing unexpected challenges our way. The economy changes, industries evolve, opportunities come and go. There will always be circumstances beyond your control, but your response to those circumstances, that is entirely up to you. The people who achieve extraordinary success are not the ones who waited for perfect conditions. They are the ones who adjusted, adapted, and kept moving forward while everyone else stood still waiting for things to improve. Every setback carries a lesson. Every obstacle creates an opportunity for those willing to look beyond the problem and focus on the solution. The question isn't whether the wind will change, because it always does. The real question is whether you're willing to adjust your sails and chart a new course toward the life you truly deserve. Imagine waking up each morning knowing that every conversation you have could help a family reduce one of their biggest monthly expenses, while creating recurring income for you month after month. Imagine building a business where your efforts today continue to reward you long into the future, instead of starting over at zero every single month. That's exactly what TruPowur is all about. We don't ask people to buy products they don't need. We help businesses and homeowners save money on something they already use every single day: electricity and natural gas. By delivering real value to customers, you have the opportunity to build a business with long-term, compounding residual income that grows as your customer base grows. Whether you're looking for a side income, a full-time career, or the chance to build a lasting legacy, the opportunity is here. You'll have access to industry-leading technology, professional training, experienced mentors, and a proven system designed to help you succeed, regardless of your background or experience. The future belongs to those who are willing to adapt, take action, and embrace new opportunities. Your past doesn't define your future. The choices you make today do. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day: energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start creating the life you've always envisioned. Take control of your financial future, your time, and your legacy. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com, and we'll see you on the inside.